Millertime Family Foods and Gardening. Headed to the potty. 4th of July, Independence Day. 1776, the signing of the Declaration of Independence. Be a sovereign nation, 13 colonies. 13 is one of my favorite numbers. Yeah, there's a lot of significance to the number 13. I know there's been this like other thing that's made it bad luck, which I just don't agree with. 13 is a very special number. Especially you think about it, Jesus chose 12 disciples plus himself, 13. Yeah, you get that one? There's other ones. There's more than that. There's plenty of other things. But anyway, I'm headed that way. Gonna have some video tonight. Maybe we'll eat some peppers tonight. Maybe I'll try to catch a friend or two on fire. If I get anybody brave enough. It's like, coming to too many people that aren't brave enough to eat anything of any significance, So anyway, we'll see. Supposed to be quite a bit of people at this party tonight. 50 to 100 or something like that. I smoked 5 chickens and I made some chicken sliders. We're going to be preparing those for today. I cooked them last night. And then my friend John, brother John Dobson, he's doing pork. He's got pulled pork. He's got 2 pork shoulder butts. He's smoking. He's doing a little 12-hour smoke or so. So anyway, it's going to be a good time. Anyway, we're heading that way. And if you can't hear me because of the air, I got the windows down a little bit. I apologize. But anyway, stay tuned. All right, we're at the joint here. Look at that. Boom. That's some glorious pork right there, my man.
I'll pull it out.
Smells good. Yeah.
Give you a full walk around.
How many hours do you have this on this morning? Oh, there's a full round right there. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, come on. Get you some. That's going to be some good sandwiches right there. I don't know if my chicken has a chance.
The chicken got a chance for sure.
I'm just playing.
I'm going to get this wrong.
That smells good, though.
Yep.
I did find a container in my boss. I call it the boss. My
Seasoning?
my rub that I haven't really yet. I actually tried. I was like, hey, actually, that's not too bad. Anyway, I still think I like the one you did last night better. But
Well, I coated this again with it this morning, so
yeah,
I'm just trying to keep it moist right now because I got low.
what you spraying on that? What is that?
Apple juice and apple cider.
Oh,
apple juice and rice vinegar.
Okay. Some cologne.
That's right.
That's what that looks like.
So yeah, it's breaking it down pretty good. We're getting really close.
All right.
I think. So I got a little bit left here. It's still not breaking down.
Right.
So I'm getting ready to probably turn up the heat for a second.
Turn it up. All right now. Yeah, up here in the Dirty South, we just do a little sparkler action. I think this, your back, your hot dog stand type of, sparklers for the children. I don't think we got enough fireworks. You kids, we got enough fireworks? We need more. We need to get more? We need more? Okay. All right, we'll get more. I think we're going to have a few lights in the sky tonight. That full box of Roman candles. Let's go. Woohoo! Big boys. Got our little... Oh, yeah. We're going to get into it tonight. So, 2 times now we're trying out fireworks, and I totally missed viral moments on video because these fireworks keep falling over and like we were in a war. It's crazy. The chickens got a little action over there too.
You see, whenever they go off, there's no longer a bright red.
Right.
So that's the nice part about these.
You're gonna sink them in mud. You're gonna sink them all in the mud though?
No. Well, I'll just set it flat. There. Now we know what's gonna happen, if it's gonna stay or not.
Right. So I'm gonna back up really far. There's no escape from those. You have to be about 100 yards away to make sure.
Yeah.
Girls, all right, it falls over again. You know what to do.
Better be ready.
I'm gonna record this one. I'm like, this is like. All right, here's the box bulb.
5-5.
There you go.
Everything's lit. Okay. Hey, girls, get ready. Hey, I actually wouldn't stand over there if I were you. I'd stand behind this tractor over here.
Tractor? That's not much cover.
If it goes there, it's going to stay underneath that porch and blow up in your face. If you go over here behind the tractor, it at least can shoot past you or something. Just right here, this one right here.
Here we go. I'm gonna find a tree.
Y'all ready?
Find a tree.
Bless him in Jesus' name. All right, it's lit. Here it comes.
Okay, he's gonna fall over this time.
Please don't fall over in Jesus.
Ooh, it almost hit that tree. Yeah, it's got a pretty heavy launch, man. That's why they kick
Big
over.
kick for a little tiny thing.
They're definitely kicking.
Yeah, it worked that time.
Look at something still.
Away we go. We're going off to the shooting range. Don't
Sending it to my mom because my mom's
This is yeah, this is probably the most fireworks I've been a part of. Definitely. We got stuff going on, trampolines, water slides, kids everywhere. Only half, not everybody's here yet. Anyway, nice piece of property. Anyway, here in the dirty, filthy, nasty South, we like to prep our fireworks over water. So anyway, I mean, we're in a swamp here, brother.
We're on the swamp here. Oh, no.
The humidity. What'd you say? Take a lighter over here. Hey, Daddy, can I play with the lighter over here by the wagon? We're partying down. Oh, yeah. There he is, the man of the hour. Oh, yeah, they're everywhere. The yummy yummies up there. Get any compliments on the beach yet? So, how is the food, Mr. Dennis?
Very good. There's only one problem.
What's that?
The sauces, the stoppers are clogged up.
Well, which one?
Both.
I see them over there using it right now. It was probably just you.
We had to take the lid.
Oh. That's all right. You get more that way.
It's very good.
Right.
I think I did the pork first.
You did?
Do the chicken next.
Hey. Get some of that good food?
Is Misty coming home yet?
Thursday.
Thursday, okay.
Nick. All right, here we go. Lit, John. Right here.
What's up?
I'm lit right here.
Oh, okay.
Right over it, right here. Oh, it's close up and personal, baby. Get in the line. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's some guns right there, baby.
Yeah, I'll go ahead and light some more, I guess. I better light some more.